Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope you all fine. May Allah keep you in His protect and safety. I hope you have practiced the questions of 9B in my previous lecture and you solved the question on your copies. Students, this is the easiest chapter of all your chapters. Take out the copies and solve the questions with me. What are you seeing in the picture in front of you? Anyone say? Yes, this is the ladder. Now we will apply Pythagoras theorem in later questions. Okay, have some revise it. This is the lecture number 7, chapter number 9, Pythagoras theorem. Same, what is the formula? Yes, the easiest formula. C square is equal to A square plus B square. And what we done today? We done exercise 9B, question number 4 and 5, page number 289. Yes. Okay. A ladder of length. Question is a ladder of length. Question number 4, exercise 9B. A ladder of length 5 meter is placed against a vertical wall with its foot 1.8 meter away from the base of the wall. How far up the wall does the ladder reach? This is the question. Same we apply Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? C square is equal to A square plus B square. And what is the value of C? C is 90 degree, opposite 90 degree to say this is the hypotenuse. Okay. Okay, what is a ladder? Question is a ladder of length 5 meter is placed against a vertical wall with its foot. This is a ladder and it's a vertical wall and length is 5 meter. Yes, this is the length. Length is 5 meter and foot in below. This is the side is foot and foot is 1.8 meter. Okay, and what is this? How far up the wall does the ladder reach? You have to find out that the wall how far mean how distance up the wall does the ladder reach. This is the ladder and this is the vertical wall and you have to find out the wall does the ladder reach. So I say that this is the x, same this is 90 degree and opposite 90 degree this is to the hypotenuse. Same formula is C square is equal to A square plus B square. Let we can say that let the top of the ladder, let the top of the ladder, let the top of the ladder be xm, be x, this is the meter, have to find out it x meter, above the ground, above the ground. Yes, this is your question. Let the top of the ladder be x meter above the ground. Okay, the formula same is C square is equal to A square plus B square by applying Pythagoras theorem. And what is the value of C? C is 5 meter ka square, A into x square and B into 1.8 meter square. We have to find this value x. Okay, 5 meter square. Yes, you can move here 5 meter square. This is plus sign. When we convert into another side, the sign convert into negative. 1.8 meter whole square and x square. 5 meter square, I told that 5 meter square, not 5 multiplied 2 is equal to 10. It's the wrong answer. 5 meter square means 5 multiplied by 5. This is the answer is 25 meter square. And 1.8, solve into 18 into 8. 8 is 64, 4, 6 carry, 8 ones are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is 14, 1 carry, 1, 8, 1, 1, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2, 1 carry, 1, 2 and 3, 3, 2, 4. And the sign is 2 decimal place and the answer is 3.24. 3.24 meter square is equal to x square. Okay, solve into subtract 25 into 0, 0 and 3 into 2, 4. When you solved it, 1 carry 10, 9, 1 carry 10 into 4, 6, and 9 into 2, 9 into 2. What will be the answer, student? Yes, 7.4, 4 into 3, 1, and last one is 21.76. 21.76, this is your answer. 21.7 21.76 is equal to x square. When we apply square root on both sides, you have to find only x meter, not x square. So 21.76 is equal to x. This is your final answer. Simply just value the put into diagram by statement questions and then applying Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Okay, next one is, I hope you solve it in your copy with me. Okay, next is question number 5. The height of 30-inch television screen is, okay, the height of a 30-inch television screen is 18-inch. Given that the television screens are measured across the diagonal, the length of the diagonal is 30 inches. How wide is the screen? It's difficult. Okay, we draw the diagram. The height of a 30-inch screen. The height of a 30-inch screen. The height of a 30-inch screen. Okay, I draw it. This is okay. What is 18-inch 30 screen is the height of a 30-inch screen is 18 inches. Like this is 18 inch. This is also 18 inch. You can say, given that the television screen are measured across the diagonal. And what is the diagonal? Diagonal is this side. Diagonal is this side. I draw the diagonal in this side. And what is the length of the diagonal? The length of the diagonal is 30. It's also 18 inches. And this is also is 30 inch. How wide is the screen? This is 90-degree angle. What will they find out it? How wide is the screen? And wide, this is the wide. This is the wide and this is the x. You can say that let start the question. Let the breadth of the what you have to find out, television screen be x in. Okay, by using Pythagoras theorem, actually this is the diagram which I draw insidely. This is 90-degree. You have to find out it x. This is 30 inches and this is 18. Opposite 90 into hypotenuse. And answer is 30. What will the formula is? C square is equal to a square plus b square. And the formula is 30 square is equal to x square plus 18 square. Same formula. Okay. 30 square is equal to, okay, solved it. 30 square minus plus convert into negative sign is equal to minus 18 square, and this is x square. 30 square means 30 multiply 30. The answer is 900. 900 minus 18 into 18. 8 8s are 64. 4 6 carry. 8 1s are 8. 9 10 11 12 13 14. 1 4 1 8 1 1 4 8 9 10 11 12. 2 1 carry. 3 24. 3 24 is equal to x square. And when we subtract it, 900 into 324, carry into 10 into 6, 9 into 2, 7, and 8 into 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 576 is equal to x square. Okay, the answer is x square is equal to 576. When we apply square root on both sides, 576 is equal to x square. Which number is multiply both itself, then the answer is 576. Yes, 24. 24 multiply 24 is equal to x square. This is the easiest square root. Then we solve it. Otherwise, you leave the answer because you are not allowed to use calculator. Okay, I'll apply another method is how to find square root in easiest way. 576 you just solve into the LCM. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. Next again 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Next again 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12. Next again 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. You have to find square root, and square root the value is 1 over 2. Like you have to pairs in two form, like this pair, this pair, this pair, and also this pair. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. What will be the answer is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 3s are 24. Yes, 24 multiply 24 is equal to x square. Then we applying square root 24 square and x squared. Square root से cancel. The final answer is x is equal to 24. It's the easiest way to solve square root. Yes, simple. It's you have to find the LCM and make pairs, and then make pairs into solve by applying multiply, and then get your answer. Okay, clear? Okay, next one is last question is like the foot of a ladder is placed. It's just a simple practice question. The foot of a ladder is placed 6 feet from a wall. If the top of the ladder rests 8 feet up the wall, how long is the ladder? Like this is 90 degree. You can see that this is 90 degree. Okay, and 90 degree you can see that this is a 8 foot and 6 foot. Okay, the what's the question is the foot of a ladder is placed 6 feet from a wall. Okay, 90 degree opposite to this one, and this one is x, and this is the hypotenuse. By applying Pythagoras theorem, c square is equal to a square plus b square. So what is the value of c? C is x square. And what is the value of a? 8ft square plus 6ft square. X square is equal to 8 8s are 64 and 6 6 are 36. You can say that x square is equal to what will the answer is 64 and 36 10 6 7 8 9 10. It's the 100 ft square. And what will be the square root of 100? You can applying by applying LCM. 2 5 0 2 2 5 5 5 and 5 1. Make pairs, first pair, second pairs, 2 multiply 5 which is 10. Yes, this the answer is 10 multiply 10 ft square. By applying square root, what will be the answer is? Tell me. Square root cancel. X is equal to 10 ft. This is your final answer. Hope you got the questions in later questions by applying Pythagoras theorem. Kindly solve it in your copies and practice it more. The questions. This is the very easiest chapter. Okay. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.